Yo, everybody, how y'all doing? Back at it again. It's your favorite entrepreneur, your boy, official Tyree Samuels, right? And before y'all do anything else, make sure y'all go ahead and, click on that subscribe button so y'all can be up to date with every single video I drop. Every day I drop it, every week I drop it, because this is actually the 5th video I've dropped just this week. So I want you guys to be the first to get the notification. Now, today what we're going to be talking about is we're going to be talking about how you guys can, do a little bit of, vibing, right? Vibing in the market, right?
What just happened?
So this is actually going to be a strategy called Vibrata, which is going to be incorporated of a few different strategies with a few different individuals that are going to all be able to help you, see the market, in a vibed out kind of fashion. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and talk about that on the next clip. See you guys in a few. Peace. Yo, everybody, how y'all doing? Back at it like a crack addict, right? It's your boy, official Tyree Samuels, right? Tuning in once again to be able to give you guys all the information that you're going to need to be able to further your investment journey all 2021 and further beyond, right? So today, if you guys saw the title, we're actually going to be teaching you guys how to, vibe it on the market, right? Vibe out in the market with one of the dopest strategies that has one of the most options in the entire platform, which is going to be called Vibrata. So before we actually go dive into that, you guys already know how we start off every single time when we're accessing one of these scanners. We're actually going to go log into im.center first, and then we're actually going to go access Go Live, okay? So if you actually look at that panel over to the left, it's actually going to be something that says Go Live. Go Live, for anybody that's new, is going to be where you're going to want to go to be able to get access to all the mentors that are going to be teaching you all the trading information, okay? If you are not aware, we do have about almost 200 live educators that are going to be live 24/7. And as what you see right here, this is going to be the Forex basics tutorial. So this is going to be exactly what you want to be able to focus on to be able to understand how to maneuver through Go Live. Now, feedback, not going to necessarily do that right now, but I would definitely put all 5 stars. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and we want to go ahead and get straight to Vibrata. So what you guys are going to do is you want to scroll until you can locate where it says Strategies Education. Okay. Whenever you locate that, the next thing that you guys actually want to be able to do is you want to locate where it says Vibrata. Right here. All right, Vibrata Web Analyzer. Almost didn't see it. So you guys can clearly see right here under where it says all sessions. These are going to be the educators that you're actually going to be able to utilize for Vibrata. Okay, so you're going to have 4 different educators for anybody, right, that is now seeing this. Lee Allen, who's also a pivots educator. Okay, if you don't know what pivots is, or you want to be able to learn how to start using pivots, or you just want to tap into Lee Allen, I'm actually going to drop a link right here at the top to where you guys are actually going to be able to see the YouTube video that I actually created yesterday going over pivots. So you guys definitely want to make sure that you tap into that. So as you guys see, she's going to be showing you different things, but honestly, as of right now, these don't look like sessions she's going to be doing too much of, which is why she doesn't have a date. So just make sure that you guys are definitely going to be tapping into the other 3 educators on this platform, okay? So you have Belle, Grainville, you have Kathy Kirkland, you also have Sheriff, okay? Now, the most popular person, I'm just going to say who's the most popular, is definitely going to be Kathy Kirkland, which teaches the EC11 strategy. Now, what you want to be able to actually do with Kathy Kirkland is you want to actually go to the favorite sessions, okay? And you want to go look through all of her videos. Okay. So if you guys notice, she actually has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different videos. If you go utilize all 5 of those videos, I guarantee you're going to be able to have a profound understanding in this market. I'm not saying you're about to go out after these 5 videos and go make $1 million, but once you watch these 5 videos, the next thing that you want to do is what? You probably want to be able to start happening on Kathy Kirkland's live trading sessions that are going to be Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. Now, with that being said, I also want you guys to be able to tap into these other educators. You have Belle. Okay. Belle has 3 different videos, how to use index infusion. So if you guys do not know, Vibrata is actually going to have multiple different add-ons that you can take advantage of. Index infusion is going to be one of those. So this is something that you guys can tap into to be able to learn how to use that, right? And then the last person, right, is going to be Sheriff, okay? A new sheriff in town.
Howdy, Sheriff.
Okay, so similar. You guys are going to want to click on where it says favorite sessions, and you guys can actually see Sheriff actually has 5 different videos as well, and he actually has his own add-on within the platform as well. Now, it doesn't stop there. Now, I know you guys see that there's 4 different educators on Vibrata, technically 3 now. What if I were to say that there's 2 additional educators, okay? So what I'm actually about to do is I'm about to actually go back. I'm going to go locate where it says pick a channel, and I'm going to click on the FRX Go Live Academy, okay? Now, the next thing that I'm actually about to do is I'm about to scroll. I'm about to scroll. I'm about to scroll. I'm about to scroll. And now I'm going to stop whenever I see Kevin Serrano. So for whatever reason, Kevin Serrano is not officially on the Vibrata team on the channel, but he is actually a part of the Vibrata platform. So I really want you guys to be able to tap into Kevin. Kevin actually goes live 5 days a week. So if I click on Kevin, what do you think I'm about to show you guys, right? I want you guys to guess. Yes, you're going to go to Kevin's favorite sessions. As you guys see, Kevin does have a few more videos than the other educators, but I don't want you to be afraid of it. I want you to embrace it, okay? And you guys can also see where it says London Payout. London Payout is also going to be, you know, another add-on you can actually use on Vibrata, which is showing you he's still a part of the platform. He's just not actually on the go live schedule, okay? So that's how you're actually going to be able to access Kevin Serrano. Okay, he's actually one of the OGs that's been around the platform for a while. Okay, now you see Lee Allen here. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Lee Allen right here. I think this is going to be for pivots. Okay, I think this is for pivots. Yeah, so this is not going to be Lee Allen, unfortunately, for Vibrata. So if you watch this, this is definitely for pivots, which I gave you guys earlier access to that pivots video, so you can go tap into that. Let's see if we have that other individual who I'm looking for on here. Let's go ahead and refresh real quick. Let's see. Moving a little slow, let's see if we can go ahead and get that website back up and loaded. Not exactly sure why we're moving so slow right now, but no matter. So as we wait for this to go ahead and load, it's taking a sweet time right now. All right, cool. So what I'm actually about to do is I'm about to go back, right? About to go back. Let's go locate the FRX Go Live Academy, FRX Go Live Library. And now I'm going to scroll. Okay, cool. So I found her. All right, this is going to be the final person. So I showed you 3 guys on the actual channel. Now I'm showing you 2 individuals on the regular Forex channel. So you had Kevin Serrano. You also got Anastasia, okay? Anastasia does 3 days a week. She does New York sessions. She trades indices. So for any of you guys that like trading indices, this is going to be your gal, okay? Now, what do you think I'm going to say? Yes, you guessed it. You're going to go to the favorite sessions, okay? You're going to go to the favorite sessions, and you guys want to be able to start from the bottom, work your way up to the top, because guess what? She has bootcamp videos for you guys, so you guys can actually come into the market and learn how to be able to trade proficiently, okay? Now, with that being said, that was going to be go live, guys. I hope you guys definitely make sure you go tap into that, tune into their schedule, so you guys know exactly when they're going to go live, okay? Now, the next thing I really want you guys to be able to tap into is going to be where it says strategy. So we're actually going to go back to IM.Center. Then we're going to click on the tab that says strategies, okay? After you click on the tab that says strategies, we're going to make sure we're in the FRX Academy, right? Underneath strategies, we want to click on where it says Vibrata. But before we actually go any further, let me get a sip of tea real quick, okay? Give me 1 second. All right, bet. A little thirsty there. So now you guys look at where it says Vibrata. So before we go any further, I actually want to be able to, you know, read all this so you guys can see just how many add-ons that they have. Okay. So Vibrata is a strategy that gives you an all-in-one solution in short-term, intraday, or long-term market ideas. Okay. The style is scalp, intraday, and swing. Okay. The market focuses on foreign currencies, indices. You also have commodities. You also have metals. You also have crypto. Okay. So one of the add-ons is going to be London Payout, which is what I mentioned earlier. Kevin Serrano, the individual I mentioned earlier, in his favorite sessions, he actually has videos going over how to utilize the London Payout. So London Payout is going to be an optional second tier add-on, London session market ideas with recommended risk and parameters, okay? The next one's going to be Index Infusion. So if you guys remembered, Bale, okay, B-A-L-E, back on the actual Vibrata channel, that was an individual who is going to give you the ability to learn the Index Infusion. If you go to his favorite sessions, you're going to learn that, all right? Next, you're going to have access to the Hyper Scalper, which is a strategy that identifies price action, okay? Index Infusion identifies market reversals. You have Money Flow. Money Flow, honestly, is specifically going to be for Lee Allen, but for whatever reason, like I said, I'm not really sure what's up with her schedule, so you know, if you guys notice that she gets the schedule back on the Vibrata channel, definitely start tapping back in. Actually, before I go any further, let me actually see real quick. They really want me to be able to submit this. I want to be able to get that out of there. All right, bet, guys. So now let's go back to the Vibrata channel real quick. Okay. Now, as we go back to the Vibrata channel, what I'm actually going to do, not really sure why this isn't popping up. Let's see. Don't want to spend too much time on this. Let's see. All right, Vibrata. All right, so for whatever reason, Go Live is not really working with us right now. I'm gonna try this one more time. I just have to tap back into it later. All I was really gonna do is see if Lee Allen. Yeah, I'm not sure why Go Live is not working. That's neither here nor there though. So whenever you get a chance, go back to the Vibrata channel, click on Lee Allen, and then see if she actually has any videos that are still recorded. Go to her favorite sessions, and I guarantee she's gonna have some videos going over money flow. All right, and then last but not least is actually gonna be Thor. Okay, Thor. I actually do need to show you this because I think they recently added that individual that actually teaches that strategy. So we're actually going to go back to where it says pick a channel. We're going to select on the FRX Academy. And I'm honestly not sure why Go Live is not working right now. Let me actually exit, go back, see what is going on right now. All right, let me log in. Okay, let's see. I just did that. All right. Come on. All right. Okay, bet. So this is actually the individual right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go to the live channels. Okay. I'm actually going to go to the live channels. I'm really not sure what's going on. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Okay. So we're actually going to scroll down. We're going to locate Johnny Blanco, the Vibrata Thor educator. Okay. So Thor was going to be that additional add-on that you guys saw. Let's go back to it real quick. So Thor was actually going to be the add-on that you guys saw. How did I access him? Remember, I went to the FRX Go Live library. He's not on the Vibrata channel for whatever reason. I actually selected him. And what you guys are going to see is this is going to be the individual that's actually going to teach the Thor strategy. So I'm actually go back to strategies from im.center. I do apologize that it's been kind of acting up, but we're all good now. We're going to go back to where it says Vibrata. We're going to locate where it says Thor. It is a strategy that identifies when a market recommended risk parameters. So this is going to actually be the individual that teaches it. And as you guys see right now, he's literally taking advantage of some live trading as we speak. Okay, so in addition to that, you guys can see that he does not unfortunately have any live favorite sessions that are, put off to the side. So you guys want to definitely tap into his most recent videos and then obviously take advantage of the schedule that you guys saw listed. Okay, so finally, we're about to actually go ahead and click on Vibrata so we can go ahead and kind of see like what it actually looks like. So now that I'm on Vibrata, the biggest thing I want you guys to really be able to focus on is I'm honestly not going to sit here and teach you all this stuff because I'll be honest, it's a lot. Which is why I was showing you guys every single educator that teaches each individual strategy, okay? So they even have the names of the educators here. Dr. Kathy Kirkland actually teaches the EC11. You got the Sheriff Strategy. So if I click on, watch how simple this is. So whenever I learned Dr. Kathy's EC11 strategy, all I would have to do is come to the scanner. I would actually click on her strategy and would give me all the indicators that I would need to be able to trade her strategy along with the scanner over to the right. If I want to learn Sheriff Strategy, remember Sheriff, was actually on the Vibrata channel. If I want to learn Sheriff Strategy, I would go to Sheriff's favorite sessions. I would learn the strategy. Then I would actually come to Vibrata and click on it. And it would provide me with all the indicators I would need in order to be able to effectively trade his strategy, right? Lee Allen's money flow, right? Say you go to Lee Allen. Okay. Let's go back and see if it'll actually work. Now, say you go to Lee Allen, right? You want to be able to learn Lee Allen's money flow strategy. So we're actually going to go back. We're going to go click on Vibrata. We're going to actually see if it'll let us click on Lee Allen, which it does. And bet. All right, perfect, guys. So look, this is what you guys actually want to be able to do. Look, for the money flow strategy, right? Look, I clicked on Lee Allen's money flow strategy. Guess what? All you have to do is go to Vibrata, click on Lee Allen, go to her favorite sessions, and it's going to tell you how to use the money flow strategy. Simple, right? Who else do we have, right? We also have, do we have the Thor strategy on here? So we got Grainsville strategy. That's going to be Bell. So I don't know if you guys remember Bell, but Bell is also going to be an individual. If you go back to the Academy, go live, look in Vibrata, Bell Grainsville. His first name is Bell, last name is Grainville. That's going to be his personal strategy. He actually has a couple. So with that being said, guys, you guys actually see everything that you're going to need to be able to take advantage of this. On top of that, these are going to be the actual add-ons. So you got London Payout, you got Thor, you got Index Infusion, you got Hyper Scalper, you got Money Flow, you got Original Trade. If you are not paying the extra, they are going to prompt this that says, go to your back office, go to shopping cart, add it on, okay? So you guys definitely want to make sure if you are interested in that, you go ahead and start taking advantage of that, right? The next thing I want to be able to talk to you guys about is how are you going to actually add the Telegram. So within the scanner, if you actually go and click on this bell, they're actually going to give you access to the Telegram. So if I actually click right here, it's going to open the Telegram, and then bam, you guys can actually see when all the trade ideas and signals come through, and then I don't have to miss any ideas at all. Now, with that being said, guys, that's actually going to be wrapping up Vibrata for you guys. So Vibrata is actually going to be something that's going to give you guys more strategies than you know what to do with. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. So it's not about trying to use every single one of these strategies that I showed you. It's more so about picking that one or two strategies that works for you, works with your, individual emotional competence, and also, it's going to give you the confidence to be able to go into the market and, kill it every single day. Now, with that being said, guys, I don't want you to be shy. If you actually like this video, I want you to go ahead, click that subscribe button. In addition to that, go ahead and leave, some nice feedback in the comment section, because I want to be able to grow with you guys, but I need to be able to get feedback so I know what you guys like, what you guys don't like. And then also go ahead and go follow that Instagram, right? Official Tyree Samuels, your favorite investors, favorite entrepreneurs, favorite entrepreneur. And like I always say, I'm going to see you guys at the top, not front of the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See ya, wouldn't want to be ya. I'll be back on the next video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the value. Peace.